In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under public corporation. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic types and meaning. So we have about 18 to 20 video questions to practice with the video. Let's get started. First question I have here says, which of the following organizations provide essential goods and services at low cost to citizens? We have thrift societies, private companies, public enterprises, cooperative societies. The right answer is option C, which is public enterprises. Very important. Okay, so the next question is this one. You say the business unit that applies the principle of one man vote is, we have sole proprietorship, partnership, cooperative society, public company. The right answer is option C, cooperative society. Okay, next question is this one. It says the problem of cooperative societies include or except or excessive government control, corporate existence, divided loyalty, amateur management. So the exception is corporate existence. Okay, next question is this one. It says when an industry or company is nationalized, the state becomes the minority shareholder, an equal shareholder with other individuals, the majority shareholder, the only shareholder. The right answer is option D, which is the only shareholder. Okay, next question is this one. It says the maximum number of shareholders in the public liability company is unlimited, guys. Take note, is unlimited. Okay, whereas in a private limited company is 50 for maximum, but in the public liability company is unlimited. Next question is one. It says the business organization that is established for the interest of the public is known as a public enterprise. Option C. Okay, next question is one. It says a business unit in which savings of members are lent to others is a warehouse cooperative society, producer cooperative society, consumer cooperative society, credit and thrift society. Right answer is option D, credit and thrift society. Alright, next question is one. It says the body charged with divesting government interest in public enterprises is, so we have NDA, MPC, BPE. So the right answer is option C, which is BPE, which stands for Bureau of Public Enterprises. Okay, next question is this one. It says nationalization of an industry means that its ownership becomes that of, we have indigenous, we have shareholders, taxpayers, government. So the right answer is option D. Okay, government. Next question is one. It says service which are of absolute monopoly can best be proved by public enterprises, limited liability companies, we have private companies, public companies. So the right answer to this question is option A, which is public enterprises. Okay, so next repeated question with this one says the maximum number of shareholders in a public liability company. This is a repeated question, is unlimited. Option B. Next question, it says the sole aim of government-owned business is to manage actions, spread environmental pollution, provide services to the public, make profit. So it's obvious is to provide services to the public. Next question is this one. It says example of a public goods is fire brigade. Okay, option C. Next question, it says services rendered to the public is provided by the government. Option B. Next question, it says public corporation are set up by the government and private individuals, the cooperative and individual, the government. So the right answer is option D, the government. Okay, so next question is this one. It says the business organization in which shareholders have equal vote is a cooperative. Option D, very important. Next question, an exam and all except one is not a corporation and both at the federal level, CBN, FRC and NNPC. Man, right, the exception here is MAN, Manufacturers Association of Nigeria. This is basically a trade union. Next question, this is a core investor in the current phase of privatization. Nigeria is one who, where can afford to buy most of the shares of the enterprise, can mobilize foreign currency equivalent to the value of the enterprise, will be at the core of the enterprise, has the technical know-how of the enterprises. So guys, the right answer to this question is one who can afford to buy most of the shares of the enterprise. So guys, this basically can do problems involving public corporation for your JAMB commerce. Focus on the subtopic types and meaning public cooperation, and we practice with about 18 to 28 questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video to me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and ensure to give a response. So ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button, getting premium information, help you to sell your external exams like the JAMB and non-external exams you'll be writing. For having done this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.